how to set the screensaver to colors on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, from the settings page, we then scroll down and then tap on display. Next, scroll down. In here, you want to tap on screensaver and then choose colors. Now you can tap on the preview button to have a preview of your screensaver, and this is what it looks like once it is on. Now if you want to use the screensaver, you need to have your phone plugged into a charger, and it says here show a screensaver after the screen turn off automatically while your phone is charging. So you need to wait for the phone to automatically switch off, and that will automatically turn on the screensaver while your phone is charging. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.